What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tap Lab. Today we're talking about Cash App and a hack that will allow you to get free money. So there's a lot of videos circulating with this hack or some sort of hack, and they show you the hack, they show you how to do it, they show you the tutorial, and I'm here to save your ass because this stuff is fake. And I'm going to explain everything about it. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to actually use Cash App, some of the stuff that I'm doing. So let's take a look at this.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get
This dude opens Cash App.
The Cash App. That's right, you can get free money on the Cash App.
Saying you can get free money, it's very simple. So they want you to go to this URL. Don't go to this URL. This website looks sketchy. I would never put information into this website. Because it's not going to give you free money, it's just fake.
Then connect to your email or your username.
It's so fake. He's just saying stuff that sounds kind of legit, but just trust me, it's not legit. So it's gonna say you have to like download these apps and play the games for 30 seconds or something like that. So he installs the apps and he's gonna play the games for 30 seconds or whatever. This dude's username is also a photo of a girl, and it's Stephanie Bubs, and there's a guy talking. So you should just know it's sketch. Same thing, new app, 30 seconds, yada yada. Next thing he's probably going to show Cash App, and it's going to be like loading money onto it or something.
And that $100 will now be loaded into my account, as you guys can see right here. $100.
Okay, so there's no screen.
So just make sure you go on the URL and you follow.
There's no screen on the app. There's nothing that interacts this way. This is just like a video playing on his phone. There's nothing that's gonna allow the dollar count to just rise like that, because this isn't even where your money is. That's like where you type in the money. For the money that you own on the app, there's a button above this. So if you think that is real, that's not even the real user interface. You have an IQ of 0. So that was it. He just showed a fake interface where like the money count is rising, and there's no screen within the app that even does that. So I don't know how anyone would think that's real. So I'm going to open up Cash App, show you why that's not real, and show you some of the things that I'm doing. Okay, so here we are in the Cash App. It looks kind of the same as the one in the video, but this big dollar amount here, that's not even your money. Your money is this one above that. This button right here, this is where your money is located. This is sort of like your holdings. This right here, I mean, you can type, that's how much you can send to someone, but that has nothing to do with money that you receive. So there's no part of the interface where this would increase, where this would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Like you can type it, but that's not even part of the app. There's nothing that would increase like that. So basically, that dude is just showing a fake video. I don't know how people are falling for it. I don't know how you can like even use this app and not understand that that's fake. So I don't know, guys. Don't fall for it. Next thing to know, I have a lot of Cash App videos on my channel for how to use Cash App legitimately, how to do transactions, how to buy Bitcoin. So my main experiment that I do with Cash App is buying $1 of Bitcoin every single day. So let's go ahead and do that for today. I'll show you a little bit about it. You need to tap the dollar amount on the top of the screen. Swipe right. And we've got Bitcoin currently at $10,062. And today is actually day 201. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin by hitting buy in the bottom left corner. Moving that slider to $1, hit buy again. Scan my fingerprint. And confirm. So there you go, we've bought today's Bitcoin. It's that simple. Bitcoin, for anyone who doesn't know, it's kind of like a stock. It can go up or down in value, but it can also be used for transactions, to buy and sell stuff. You can send it back and forth to people. And I have videos that cover all of that on my channel. There's a playlist that I'll link down in the description so you can check them out. Let's go ahead and do today's calculation. I have $329.83 in here. 329. What was it? 83 and I've been doing this for 201 days. So that's a 1.64x on my investment. So I just buy $1 every single day. I'm a collector. I collect a little bit each day. I think over time, Bitcoin value is going to rise. You can see over a year, it's gone up a little bit. So I just collect a little bit each day. I think it's going to be a very scarce, very rare asset. So I'm picking up some each day. So there's a little insight as to one of the experiments that I do with Cash App on my channel. Definitely check out the playlist link down below with tons of Cash App videos. Let us know what you think, or if you have any questions down in the comments below, and I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, drop a like on this video, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So go hard.